Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is binomial distribution chart on Tableau. Remember, Tableau is not a database. Tableau is not so good on long formulas, especially stats formula for distribution. So we are going on chart. If you want to do that on Tableau, then you need to work with programming and so on. And this is not our case here. So first of all, what is a binomial distribution? First of all, we need to go back to Bernoulli distribution, where there are two possible outcomes, success and failure. So yes or no. For instance, a student pass or fail, a customer arriving at your store, will they purchase or not? And the sum must be equal to 1. So P is the probability of a success, and 1 minus P is the probability of a failure. So there is no maybe here. And some stats formula. And the binomial distribution, it is an independent replications of a Bernoulli experiment. And then we have a huge formula. You can go on stats table and so on, but the easiest way, do the math on Excel and then go on Tableau and have fun with the charts. So let's go here. Let's go to our Excel file. So our scenario is, suppose that 20% of customers that go to my restaurant, my fake restaurant here, Scarpin restaurant, and 20% of them on weekdays and 40 on weekends spend more than $20. So in a sample of 15 customers, probability of spending more than $20. So here, a lot of columns to do the charts. So here, customers from 0 to 15, we can grab any n we want. I only grab 15 to fit in our screen. What is the difference between exactly and cumulative? For instance, for weekdays. On weekdays, exactly how many or what is the probability of exactly 3 customers purchase more than $20? 25%. The cumulative is at least 3 customers. So it is 64, because the 64 is the sum of 0 plus 1 plus 2. So at least, and then here is a table, but if you want to do only one, that's up to you. And then instead of doing all of these columns here on Tableau, we have, let me move myself here. Let's zoom in. Exactly amount, cumulative, for weekdays, and then for weekends. And then we can go on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and how many days we want. And then individuals here, 0 customers, 1 customer, 2 customer, 3, 4, 5, and then from 0 to 15 as well. And let's chart this distribution on Tableau. So let's close it here, save, and let's go to Tableau, Excel, binomial distribution on Tableau. So here, nothing here because we have 2 sheets, Excel and Tableau. Let's grab the Tableau here, and here's what we have. We go on sheet 1, and then we have a problem. The individuals here, it is not a actually number, so it's not a measure. So it is a dimension. So we convert it to dimension. And then, okay, exactly amount. But let's go on approaches. And then the exactly here and the individual. So individuals, they are here. See, that is our binomial distribution or on show me. We can combine both, okay? We can see here both weekdays and weekends. It's going kind of more negative here. If we want to combine both, just come here, but we can also move it, but then doesn't make sense, bad. And here weekdays and weekends, but here these individuals, they are not pretty. So it's much better that the color is the approaches. So take approaches, move to colors, and now move here. And then we will have it. Blue, weekdays. Orange, weekend. So here, see that the cumulative or the exactly, it is on 3. And then here, the most exactly is on 6. And why the orange is better, the weekends is better? Because the highest probability of purchasing is exactly 3. Here is exactly 6. Much better, 6 customers purchasing more than $20 than 3. So here, let's go on exactly. And then we can go, let's duplicate it. Instead of exactly, cumulative. How do we do it? Cumulative, and the exactly we move out. Here looks like a Pareto chart, by the way. And here, again, why the weekends is good. If we grab here, 0.6, 0.64, 0.61, here 64% of at least 3 customers purchase $20 or more. At least 6 purchase $20 or more. So I have more customers purchasing $20 or more. And can we combine both? We can do it, and we can combine exactly cumulative. That is not bad. But we can also do that on a chart. Exactly cumulative. Oh, much better. However, what if I want to see only weekends or only weekdays? And here, binomial distribution. And then we can add a title, show title. If you want to change this title, just come here and you can change it. But let's add the future of the approaches. Apply. And let's show filter. However, this filter is only for this chart, not for this one. How do we make this filter available for both? And then using only once. Approaches, if we add a second filter here, and whoops, show it. And if we go only on weekends, the other one will have both. But I want that this filter here guides the other one as well. How do we do that? Apply to worksheets, all using related data source. And then we have it. And then what is cool? Let's delete it. Let's add the exactly again. We have the filter here. And if we change here only for weekdays, we have only the weekdays. Only the weekend, we have only the weekend. So here, the weekdays is more negative, is skewed than weekends. Weekends is not perfectly skewed because a little bit negative, but perfectly would be 50%. More than that would be positively skewed. Positively skewed. Okay, guys, that's it. So this is how to chart a binomial distribution on Tableau. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.